welcome back to Step Talk.
Yeah, man, I stepped out.
Did we ever make that a thing? I don't think we've been consistent with it, but
No, we're not consistent with it at all.
But this is Step Talk.
But
until further notice.
I stepped out and get an ojmerge and a new edition called Kingston there too, you know.
Kingston, Young King.
And that's what we call him. We call him Kingston because you know Daddy come from Kingston, Jamaica. So
yeah, he gotta be in touch with his roots.
And Daddy and Mommy got married in Kingston, Jamaica.
He did.
So you know it work already. We just have to say alright then. Mommy said name him Kingston, even though Kingston can be crazy. You know, and
this boy is off the chain, y'all.
And he got his crazy moments. So I one of them things.
Yeah, but we're back with another video. We know it's been a while. Forgive us. One of these days we gonna get it all together. We gonna be consistent. I mean, I don't know. It's really always a balancing act between work, leisure, and now Kingston. And you know, we just gotta get on our stuff. But we do see y'all emails when they come through, and we do our best to get back to y'all ASAP. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you've been here, welcome back. Thanks for still rocking with us. And what else? Oh, this week was my first week back to work. And so we've just been juggling work life, parent life, waking up in the middle of the night with this guy. He's trying to fall asleep. No! Don't fall asleep.
No, chill out, man.
Like, take him up there so they can get a close-up of him.
Them know Kingston.
No, he's changed a lot. Say hello.
Kingston, tell the people them say hello.
Say hi, people. Is his eyes open?
You are doing thing. Say hello.
Sleep.
You might try to go sleep.
His timing is crazy. He been up this whole time. Now he want to go to sleep.
Kingston, tell the folks hello. So what go on?
Baby, say hello.
As in I can't say.
Yeah.
My whole meditation. I try to take him the rest.
Firm meditation.
Yeah, my whole firm ones. You know that go already. I sleep thing you my dealing because that man love sleep, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah,
so we're here. I got some wine, y'all, because it's been a long week already. But we decided to hit y'all with another video. Just catch up with you guys, check in with you guys, talk some ish. Yeah.
So go on.
So by the title of this video, as you can see, we got a little secret for y'all. And yeah, like basically O and I, we were just chopping it up, you know, unwinding. And he hit me with something and I thought it was so hilarious. And then I also was like, is this a thing? So I'm like, no, you gotta tell the people this, because I'm sure my ladies out there wanna know. And I mean, it's not common knowledge, so I feel like it should be shared. And I also thought it was hilarious. And I also want my Jamaican men out there, if this is true, let me know. Because I need to know if my man was just in a creep squad before he settled down, or if this is actually like a thing. Tell them where the yard men be chilling at.
Before me get into that situation there, and before me get into that, how my ladies doing? Are they doing alright? How the yard man them are treating? How the Jamaican men treating you? Let me know that also. Because we've got a lot of feedback. We've got a lot of feedback from some female that, you know, they go into it, you know, they're taking it slow, they're Jamaican men, and they're doing their thing. Some of them is kind of confused, some of them have questions, get a lot of emails, get a lot of, you know, one-on-one message. We get voice note from some female, just want to be real and in the moment, and then just want, you know, have that conversation there. I want to have that conversation with them.
Yeah.
You know, with them.
And we got our dudes starting to come through. Come through, fellas, because for a minute y'all been shy, and it's like y'all starting to come through, and I'm like, okay, they out there.
And we have some dude that met some Jamaican female, you know, on the flip side of that. And even though this channel is more driven by the females, because majority female want to know what's up.
You guys decide who this channel is driven toward.
Well, you're right about that.
Yeah.
You're right about that. So
if the fellas don't speak up, then the ladies run this mother. You know, as they usually do.
Most definitely. Just again, shout out to my female them at the end of the day when them happy Jamaican relationship. However, next couple for bring to at the same time, where I want my Jamaican brethren, female wife is also, you know, American girl, and them are live happy and things are going great for them.
Yeah, they super cool. We're gonna introduce you guys to them. We think you guys will love them. We're gonna have an open discussion, talk love, life, and relationships. That way you guys get a perspective not just from us and y'all know us, but you know.
Most definitely. So tonight, come on, get in a holy good enough. I'm gonna do a second vlog at the end of the day. But tonight, you know, tonight my wife looked at me and said to me, she asked me some question. I made her a reason. I made her tell her, I say, babes, you know, Jamaican operate different. I would discover where American woman can find a Jamaican man when she go to the party. You know, you go out a lot of times, you see many different men. Where are the Jamaican men located in the party? Females. You go know the secret of where the Jamaican men are located when you go to the party. By the female bathroom.
Y'all, if that is not the wildest, I mean, I was like, are you serious? Like, this is a thing? Because I got to thinking, like your process around it is, I mean, yes, a woman is gonna have to go to the bathroom at some point.
Remember getting that? Wanting to understand what I'm talking about. You see, Jamaican men.
Understand that this is a whole plot. Jamaican, this is a whole scheme.
Jamaican man, as we say, we raise different, we approach different. And when we go out, when we're on the hunt for the prey, we do it differently. So majority of the time, we posted by the female bathroom, just a chill, drink my liquor, and relax, and watch the place. You know why? Because we ain't gotta move to talk to a female in the party. We wait until she approach the bathroom. So that way you have all access to every female. Because
so it's like going fishing.
Most definitely. And we out there fishing. Because you know it go already. And Jamaicans are so cool at the end of the day that we ain't gotta be in the party walking all over the party trying to find out who is who and try to see what girl it is. We pinpoint a female and we know say alright, she a drink her liquor, she a feel good, I forgot about you. And we just did it posted, you know. And no matter if one Jamaican got a party and them go by the bathroom, it meet 3, 4, 5 more Jamaican. Just post it, you know, with them bucket of liquor. Or them just a chill, and that's how we a party because every girl gotta go to the bathroom.
No, but tell them your logic. What if she goes to the bathroom with her man though?
Alright.
So you thinking you about to catch you one, but
females.
She bring her man, like alright baby, I'm gonna see you to the bathroom, make sure you straight.
If a female says she got the bathroom and she said, baby, could you follow me to the bathroom? You know what always happen? The guy normally go to the man bathroom and the female go to the female bathroom. The Jamaican knows him a 4 to 5 minutes tops for put him word in. So him put him word in before she go in the bathroom and give her a nice word. Hey babes, you know, say, from now me I watch you, you look nice, you know, whatever it is, you beautiful, whatever it is, can I buy you a drink? Whatever the situation is. When you enter the bathroom and you go to the bathroom, use the bathroom, all in your mind, oh damn it, that Jamaican by the door. You know, the approach was so excellent. You know, you get caught up, it was so, you know, polite and flattering majority of the time. That when you enter the bathroom, all you think about the Jamaican outside the bathroom. No. When you come out of the bathroom, majority of the time you have your number ready. When you come out, when you leave the bathroom, you already have your number ready for game already. And if the number that run right there, so the next time you go to the bathroom, your boyfriend now follow you, you're going by yourself. All of a sudden you need to go to the bathroom very regularly. Every hour you can't take the bathroom. Why? Because you know where the Jamaican man is located and you know how posted. So I just said, what have ways how we do things? We don't have to walk up to you, we don't have to disrespect your boyfriend if you're with a boyfriend. Because sometimes we don't really know. Sometimes we don't know that, okay, she's with her man. We don't know that. We just see a woman at a party and we say, John, you know, say, I feel they look nice. But we don't even walk over the approach her and I give her a minute. So we do things timely and we do things differently, and as we say, we have our own approach. And these are not, we're not creep for this.
Not a creep, that's not the right word. I think the proper word would be like maybe a shark.
We're just strategic. Because Jamaica will always want to know where the females are located. And if I one place the female them always located as
women are gonna go to the bathroom several times, especially if you're at the club. You getting them drinks on, girl, you throwing them back, you going to the bathroom at least 3 times.
So the next time you go to the bathroom at the end of the day, I walk past the bathroom and I hear a man say, "Hey, beautiful," you know, it's such a
You know why?
You know why?
That one couple dudes you see chilling at the bathroom, they might be Jamaican.
If you see 10 men by the bathroom, 5 of them are Jamaican or 6 of them are Jamaican. The other 4 are just
Bystanders.
are the weed man them. Who are trying to sell some herb to the Jamaican them. That's all it is. But apart from that, I just saw a roll. And that's like inside female. So if you ever got a club one of them nights and you want to know where the Jamaican posted, or if you ever have a Jamaican, you know, crave or a Jamaican appetite, you know it go already in the ladies.
What was that little voice? Like you dropped like 3 octaves.
So if you like say woman, I know that sometimes when I have a Jamaican appetite, and I just want to devour a Jamaican. I just one of them things. Natural instinct. Natural instinct. So you know it go. Got a party, you know which power posted. Now I give you the location, you know. So you know it go again. You not feel at the party, I talk to the random dude and I walk up to you and tell you this and tell you that. And I bother you ladies. We ain't bothering the ladies. You know it go already. We posted and we did it. Me a married man now, so you know me and Jonah. Me and Jay always in the party, you know that go already. Me and the wife.
We go to the party together.
So my days are that over with. When we got the party, me and wife we just go for party and enjoy ourselves and all a vibe. Them days they're over.
No, but that's not gonna stop me from mentally thinking the Jamaicans is at the bathroom for real.
No, them on. Trust me.
Now I'll be sure to bring you with me to the bathroom now that I know what's up.
Nothing ever change. Me ever use the man bathroom same. Me feel like Jamaicans take a holler at you. You just tell them say, my man a Jamaican, you know, my husband a Jamaican, you know.
And them Craigtown.
Them get the picture. You know.
So don't fuck up.
I Craigtown. My man a jungle. All you gotta tell them, my husband a junglist, you know. And it's all over. Alright, sweetheart. Don't say a word, man. Everything good. And I just one of them things there because I want thing to do, you know. We have a whole heap of respect at the end of the day. Determined, but we have respect. And yeah, that's one of them things. I'm just come for cool that tonight, you know. You know it go already. You have nothing else for them, mama?
We just wanted to check in with you guys. It's been a minute, so we just wanted to. I just had to have him share that with y'all because I was dying when I heard that. I'm like, I want to do my ladies notice. Like they might need this little gem dropped on them. I mean, you know, if it's valuable to you, use it as you will. If not, just laugh like I did because I was like, wow, y'all are determined.
The next thing, me or woman ask, are Jamaican men good dads? Or come back with a vlog with that.
That's a whole nother vlog. Yeah, somebody did ask us to talk about the way we parent differently. And I mean, right now, Kingston, he's a baby. Right now, everything's pretty in unison, but we do want to do a vlog on that.
Jamaican dads were different in some ways. And I just one of them things. We're different in all ways when it come down to aspects of life and everything. But I know so one day a Jamaican gonna shoot at the club where you have a little belly start, you don't get right. So you know that go already.
And then you're gonna have to get it back right, y'all. I'm still trying to figure it out. So if I'm looking a little healthy.
So if that ever happen, if you're Jamaican ever bust some sweet water in your belly and it start right up. Yeah. Jamaicans are some of the greatest, father. But apart from that, as I say again, it's a little short vlog, you know. O1J Day again in the ojmerge. You don't know it go already.
Yes, make sure you like.
Yeah. Share, subscribe, and I give thanks for the subscribe, you know, because it's a pouring, you know. I'm like the little message them. Show the message in my heart when I want to ask because you guys got some shit to ask sometimes, but I don't know, it's crazy, but you know what I'm saying again.
But it's a no judgment zone.
No judgment.
We're always here to
no judgment.
Be a voice of reason.
I love the conversation. So you don't know it go already. As I say, O1J Day again at ojmerge. And we all till next time.
Shit, bye.
It's not too far away. Kingston
is out cold.
You don't know it go. Boom.
Are you me lover, you me want to be my only cheek. Girl, give me your finger, me have to put a ring on it. Night nurse, me addicted to your nightly trick. Never get a loving like this, like this.